Is that cat roller skating?
Yeah, it is.
I love cat videos.
Oh, cats, what can't they do? Oh, hey, have you seen the one with... Oh, another pop-up ad. I really don't like it when that commercial pops up.
Oh, the one with the giant tap dancing
The muffin,
Yeah.
yeah.
That one popped up when Wes and I were playing games on my tablet. He had a hard time getting to sleep that night. Well, we both had a hard time going to sleep after that.
You know, I tried to set those parental controls.
Oh, to choose what kids watch online. Yeah, that's a good move.
Yeah, it's a good move, but I ended up locking myself out of my phone.
Oh, that's less of a good move.
Samuel had to show me how to fix it.
Oh, tell me about it. I had to watch a couple videos just to figure out how to add an app that tracks screen time.
Oh, I've got one of those apps too. You know, it really does help me be more mindful of how much time I spend on screens.
But it's hard to limit the kids' screen time.
Right?
Last week, I was trying to get Wes to turn off the tablet and come to dinner. He didn't want to.
Story of my life, friend.
And then by the time I got him to turn it off, dinner was cold.
Ugh.
And then once I reheated it, well, let's just say it came out a little more crispy than I meant it to.
Double ugh.
Not my finest moment.
Another pop-up ad. Yeah, they nenever end.
Well, Wes's tablet can be really great sometimes for helping him learn and play.
Yeah, I hear you. It's just so difficult to keep up with all the changes.
Well, Dan, we're doing our best.
That we are, my friend. Hey, speaking of, can you show me how to set those parental controls?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
Oh, great.
So I think you want to go to, but I do.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, for crying out loud. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I'm locked out again.
Oh, that's...
That's okay, it's okay. I'll just call Samuel. Except that I'm locked out of the phone. Samuel!